When traveling, we don't always eat or sleep well.
Not only is it hard on the immune system, it can be mentally taxing. Here's where yoga can help restore balance when you are on the go. Don't be shy. Practice in public, like in an airport or park. Finding a centering moment every day will not only calm you down on a business trip, but it will also enhance your experiences on vacation, allowing you to recharge and create meaningful memories. Create intention. Give yourself 10 minutes a day. Sit with your eyes closed, focus on your breath, and create an intention of the day. This will help you relax and help you set goals and a plan for the day ahead. My favorite way to travel is do as the locals do. Go to a local studio and make new friends. Get creative. Are you at the beach without a mat? No problem. Use a sarong as your yoga mat or a bath towel from your hotel room. Rolled up towels work so great as block replacements. If plane rides give you anxiety, stick to poses that are grounding, like seated and supine, or inward driven, like forward bends. Be conscious about drinking and eating as well as possible. Be sure to pack food on the flight and skip those sugary cocktails. Be aware of your posture. Make sure you're not slouching on the plane or in any of your photos.
Know your go-to yoga pose. For me, it's a handstand. Traveling can be mentally and physically exhausting, so inversions are a great mood lifter.